Jason,
What are we doing?
you're going to show me how you win all these races.
Driving lesson.
Driving lesson.
Good. I need it. So it's interesting because I've obviously spoken to lots of drivers, but I think it's it's almost going back to basics and looking at the detail of everything. Isn't
That it is exactly that. Rather than being digitally trapped.
Yeah.
And something's here. So let's get the car flat just before you. Yes, that's right. And then it has a bit more bite as you turn. And there's this little guide, and then a big turn. Yes. Yeah. Once the wheel comes out nicely, you know, it takes off, and then you get the weight out of it.
Yeah.
You know, and rather than having a constant curve, we get the corners only this long instead of that long.
That long, yeah.
Yeah. And then turn the wheel when the weight's on the nose. Yes, exactly right. That. You know this stuff. And that's the beauty of doing it in a road car like this. You've got time to feel it. 130.8.
I don't know what that means.
Oh, that's stunning.
Is it?
Well, I reckon if we could made it into a 29, we're on the pace. Yeah, flat car, inside. Think, where do I want to get to? Not where am I leaving from? Where am I going to? Yes, we're through.
We made that.
We made that. Since I glued that cone to the ground. I'm just trying to help, you know. But you should go through all of the gears. Yet and Sun always did that, even coming up to last horse. We'd go from like 6th to 1st.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's because it just felt like a straight line this one. Felt like hitting the wrong note on a piano, he said.
Is that what he said?
Yeah. Nice size. So 29.5.
Is that good?
That was very good. I think we can safely say you've got a great future. Have you thought about getting your racing license?
Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the launch of Vauxhall Astra, revised Vauxhall Astra.
The comparison to the previous model. Then we had on the hatchback a CD, so that was really focused on line lights.
Turning left at the bottom down here.